To access the writing assignment, number 6, you'll go in the geography unit. You'll scroll down to number 6, writing prompt, where you've got some instructions to read the assignment instructions in number 6, message board. Don't write the post until the graphic organizer in step 2 is done. The graphic organizer is a hamburger graphic organizer to set up your paragraph. I encourage you to write your paragraph in Google Docs or Kami. Both offer great spell checkers, or voice to text. Both allow you to do great things. One, you can just talk to the computer and it will type it for you. And of course, spell check helps keep your spelling looking good. And then once you've got it done, you'll post it to the message board for classmates to read and see. That's the last step. So you'll come into the assignment. Here's the writing assignment, message board prompt. When you're done with your Google Docs or Kami write-up, you'll post your comment here and submit it for the class to see. It's graded material. You've got a 1-paragraph response to the prompt. The region of North America I would choose to live in when I get older is, and then you name one of the 8 regions that you like the most. You'll use the prompt and name the region you want to live in. That's your thesis, what you're going to talk about. That's 5 points. You include at least 2 items and features from the classroom learning, definition, screencast, your note page. So you have to go back to your note page to get that. You include how geography of the region would affect your life there, how you would earn money, how you would do recreation, leisure, the weather. Try to mention the good and bad if you can. And then you have to have a conclusion that gets into the why you chose the region, why you like it, what made you choose that one region out of the 8 that you had to choose from. Try to avoid retelling facts that you already talked about in these paragraphs. And then 2 points, you add a picture that shows your favorite setting or thing to do in the region that you talked about. The geographic region must be reflected in your picture. And here's a little bit about a paragraph. Come back here to the hamburger writing organizer. You open this in Kami. And then you have the thesis statement should come first. It tells you what tells the reader what you're writing about. Here you're talking about which region you would choose. Then you have supporting detail number 1 about the region, supporting detail number 2 about the region, supporting detail number 3 that's a typo, should lay out how the geography of the region would affect your life there. Focus on the good, but you can mention the drawbacks too. You don't want to live in a bad place. So you want to focus on the good stuff. And then the conclusion, state why you like this region and why you would choose to live there based on the geography. Try to avoid, again, restating facts you've already talked about. You click on Kami. This should open up. And you can see it lines up with Schoology. You've got the topic. You've got the supporting details. You do not have to do supporting detail number 4, so you would have the topic, supporting detail 1, supporting detail 2, supporting detail 3, and then the conclusion, all that match up with these steps right here. Supporting detail 1, supporting detail 2, supporting detail 3, and the conclusion. And once you've got that done, you're ready to write. You go into Google Docs or Kami, and you'd write up your paragraph, and then you would come back and submit it into the message board for the class to see.